Welcome students in our mathematics classes of class 9th. Topic is the lines and angles, and one of the most important questions, that is in figure, that is here in figure, this one A B C. This is triangle. In figure, the side AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to point E and D. AB को E तक प्रोड्यूस किया गया and AC को that is D तक. Now respectively, if the bisector of BO, that is if the bisector of BO and CO of CBE का bisector है BO, this one, O take a point O, and CO, this one. Bisector BO is the bisector of angle CBE and OC is the bisector of angle BCD. Then meet at O. Then prove that this one. So first of all, write solution of this question. Now, what is the given of? That is, first of all, write given. Given means in triangle ABC, AB produced to E and AC produced to D, AB and AC produced to, that is D, E and D, and BO and CO is the bisector of angle CBE and angle BCD, that is BCT respectively. And our proof, that is right to prove angle BOC, that this one, angle BOC 90 minus 1 by 2, angle BAC. Now the solution is, first of all, we see here, that is, this is the bisector, therefore angle 1 is also equal to angle 2, and CO is the bisector of angle BCD, angle 3 is also equal to angle 4. Okay, and we can write here, that is this one, this is 180 degree. So first of all, we write this one, कि angle ABC, since angle ABC plus angle CBE plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree. That is equation 1 by linear pair. Now we have to divide half of this. So first of all, dividing both sides, dividing by 2 both sides. Therefore we can write 1 by 2 angle ABC plus 1 by 2 angle CBE is equal to 180 upon 2. And now 1 by 2 angle CBE is equal to angle 1, this one. Therefore 1 by 2 angle ABC plus angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Here we can write that is 1 by 2 angle CBE is equal to angle 1, which is also equal to angle 2. Both are equal. So we can write only angle 1. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 90 degree minus 1 by 2 angle ABC. Take this angle equation 2. Again similarly from this side, again you look here, angle ACB plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. So now we can divide 1 by 2 angle ACB plus angle 1 by 2 angle BCD is equal to 180 upon 2. This one is 1 by 2 angle ACB. Here this implies that 1 by 2 angle ACB and plus 1 by 2 angle BCD. We can write angle 3, that is angle 3 is equal to 90 degree, or we have to find angle 3 is equal to 90 degree minus 1 by 2 angle ACB. That is, we can write here, write angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 1 by 2 angle BCD. Now this one. So this can be written as equation number 2, and this is written as equation number 3. And now in this triangle here, in triangle BOC, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. That is the property of triangle. The sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now here, that is this one is 1 and this is equation 2, this equation 3. Now take this equation 3, here this is 4. Put here using equation 2 and equation 3, using equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 4. Use that 90 minus 1 by 2 angle ABC plus 90 minus 1 by 2 angle ACB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Now here we have to write this 90, 80 and this will be cancelled. Therefore angle BOC is equal to, now transfer this side, right hand side, that is 1 by 2 angle ABC and 1 by 2 angle ACB. This is equation number, take, that is 5. And now in this triangle ABC, again in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. That is the property of triangle. Now dividing sum both sides by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 angle ABC plus 1 by 2 angle ACB plus 1 by 2 angle BAC, that is equal to 90 degree. Dividing 1 by 80 by 2, that is 90. So we have to find this 1 by 2 angle ABC and 1 by 2 this. So therefore 1 by 2 angle ABC plus 1 by 2 angle ACB is equal to 90 minus 1 by 2 angle BAC, this one BAC, that is equation number 6. Here now both are equal. Using equation 5 and equation 6, by using equation 5 in equation number 6, we get that is angle BOC is equal to 90 minus 1 by 2 angle BAC. This is our proof. This is the very most important questions. Okay, thank you.